Hello and welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. So, welcome to the fourth part, day 4 for us as well. Grounding into the business.
Yes. I'm actually really
And
grateful we saved this one for last.
yeah, definitely. And it's last for a reason. We have to do the work in the business, don't we?
Yeah, this is the
Before,
anchor.
yeah. And we have to enjoy the journey, the co-creation, and there is going to be co-creation into this grounding into the business as well. But what I've seen over the years of mentoring is that often often people don't know because we didn't go to business school, right?
Yeah, I love it.
So often we don't know what to actually do to keep a business turning over. And like we spoke of yesterday, the prolific creators that put out different courses, different things, and nothing ever grows fully. It always kind of stays at a sort of plateau. The more of these courses and everything that they put out. So I think this grounding into the business will help people to settle into it, but expand and build it, which is what
Yeah.
we really want, don't we?
Yeah. And just speaking to that, you and I have been at this for quite a while. And I can say confidently, for sure, when you look at that kind of like gear, the wheel that we looked at the other day, if we're being honest, creation and launching, sharing, promotion, that takes so much energy.
Yeah.
If you're doing the style that you just described, if you're doing that on repeat, I think you're going to burn out really fast.
Yes.
Yeah.
I've had times, areas of burnout within business, and it was generally because I did that. I put all my energy into a launch, a product, a program, and it didn't give me the results that I had asked for, wanted to manifest instantly. And I didn't have much energy then to keep promoting it, keep doing it. And I fell into a trap of thinking, okay, well, maybe this isn't the thing. Maybe there's another thing. So then you go round this
Yeah.
circle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. So I think we're giving people the tools every day that we've been sharing, but also leading up to today to ground into like the vision, proper planning, and a blueprint. Once they understand kind of their style, their uniqueness, and kind of their method, how they do the things that they do, and who
Yeah.
they're here to serve, I feel like that gets that consistency, the results. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. I was telling you yesterday, and I'm being guided to explore this with you a little bit.
Yeah.
The workshop that we're sharing is going to help so many people. It's going to serve so many people. I had a lot of healing business owners reach out to me for a VIP day where I would spend an entire 1 to 3 days drawing all this stuff out for them on enormous pieces of paper and all the support that we're providing. It was several thousands of dollars that someone
Yeah.
would have to invest. And we're making this so much more affordable and slowing the pace down.
Yeah.
The workbook is letting people dive into it. So I'm just I'm just really thanking the divine for kind of surprising both of us with this idea, this invitation, and us going ahead and saying yes to it, and then really, serving it well, doing it well. Thank you so much for checking out this video today. Be sure to like the video, share, subscribe to my channel. And if you really had a wonderful experience on this video, I invite you to share your reflections in the comments section. I love reading those. And if you would like to explore some more of my juicy magic and medicine, please visit my website at newearthmagicschool.com and register for my email list. I've got some things that you're going to love exploring. And if you would like to join our wonderful safe space on Facebook, we have a beautiful community called Be Your Own Guru. Until next time, bye bye.